Good morning class. So today we start the chapter number 15, that is probability. I think you all are aware about that probability. What is the probability? An event which will be happen. Okay, these all are called the definition of probability. Like examples, if I toss a coin head or tail, if what the outcome will become, this is called the probability. I think you already studied about in the class 9. The formula of probability is that number of trials in which the event happened and total number of trials. The division of both these numbers are called the probability, and the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is always 1. And one more definition is there, that PE and P naught E. PE means the event which will happen, and P naught E is event which will not happen. The sum of both events is 1 only, and the value of P naught E is what? 1 minus PE, and the value of probability is lie between 0 and 1 only, and 0 and 1 is included. Remember this one thing. What is the impossible event? This is the new for you. Impossible event, the probability of event which is impossible to occur is 0. Such an event is called a impossible event. And we go for the exercise 15.1. now filling the blanks are there. First one, probability of an event plus probability of event not E. I already told about that. Answer is 1. And the probability of an event that cannot be happen is 0. Such an event is called an impossible event. I think you all know. The probability of an event that is certain to happen means it is fixed. So answer is 1. Such an event is called sure event, we can say. The sum of the probability of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. The probability of event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. Now the question number 2. Which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? Explain. A driver attempts to start a car. The car start or does not start? No, this will not. Okay, because we can't say about the car. Around 80 to 90% is their car will be start. Okay, so this is not a 50-50%. First one, 50-50% is called equally likely outcomes. Second one, a player attempts to shot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot. We can't say about that. We can't say 50-50% because this is a player. 80 to 70% this will shot a football. Okay, so 50-50%, this is called equally likely outcomes. Now third one, a trial is made to answer a true false question. Now true false we can say 50-50%. So the answer is right or wrong. So this is the third one is right. And the fourth one, a baby is born. It is a boy or girl. This is also a 50-50%. Now third one, why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning of a football game? Because we all know this, there is a chance of 50-50%, so we can decide with the help of the coin. Now which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? 2/3. So 2/3 is 0 point something. This is right, we can say. Minus, the probability never be minus. So D part. Now look at these parts also. 15% means 15/100. The answer is 0.15. So this is also a probability. 0.7 also. So answer is what? B. This cannot be happen. Fifth one we have to do now. If P is given 0.05, what is the value of what is the probability of P naught E? We have to find naught E now. So we have to find the value of P naught E. Now look at that. The value of PE plus P naught E are always answer is what? 1. The value of P is given in the question 0.05. So plus P naught E is equals to 1. P naught E is equals to 1 minus right hand side it will become minus 1 minus 0.05. Answer is P naught E is what? 0.95 is your answer. Now the next question. Now a bag contain lemon flavored candies only. Okay, it is confirmed lemon flavored candies. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she take out orange flavor candy? This is possible. Is it possible? Sorry. Is it possible? No. Is it not possible? So answer is what? 0. Now second, a lemon flavor candy. Sure. This is sure event. Answer is 1 only. Clear? Because this is a sure. the lemon flavor candy only in the bag. Now the question number seventh is what? It is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that 2 students having the same birthday? So same question, PE plus P naught E 1. Now PE plus P naught E is given now, not having 0.992 is equals to 1. PE what? 1 minus 0.992 and PE value is what? 0.008. Now the next one is what? So this is the next one. Eighth one is what? A bag contains 3 red balls, 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball is red? So red balls are 3, black are 5, total 3 plus 5 8. So probability of red is what? 3 upon 8. So second part is that probability of not red we have to find, means what? Black ball. So 5 upon 8. Not red means what? This is black ball. So 5 upon 8. This is the possible outcomes upon total number of possible outcomes. Okay, clear? Then the question number 9th. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red marble, white and not green? Red 5, white 8 and green 4. So total number of cases are 17. So first we have to find red one. So the probability of red is 5 upon 17, white is 8 upon 17 and not green, means red and white will become, green will not come. Red and white means what? 5 plus 8, 13. 13 upon 17. This is the P naught red. So up to question number 9th we finished. So in 2 to 3 classes we complete this chapter, and after that we go for the surface area and volume. So learn the formulas which we studied in the class 9th. Remember all the formulas which we studied in class 9th. So make sure about the formulas. So our next chapter is surface area and volume. So thank you class.